Hey everyone! Welcome back. If you've ever needed to work on two files at once in Visual Studio, you know how annoying it can be to switch back and forth between tabs. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to keep both files visible on the screen, so you can code more efficiently. Click and drag the tab of one file towards the right or left edge of the editor window until you see a highlighted area indicating where it will dock. Release the mouse button to drop it there. You can click on either editor pane to work on that file, and both files will remain visible. This feature is handy for comparing code, cross-referencing documentation, or editing related files simultaneously. And that's it. Now you know how to keep two files visible side by side in Visual Studio. I hope this tip helps you code more smoothly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.